What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are with my girlfriend Stephanie. She's gonna be making... No, I'm just kidding.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. And as you can tell, we are not in our room, not with our beauty lights or anything. We are actually on vacation again, and as you can tell from the title, we're gonna be making some guac today. But before we get that started, I just wanted to give a big thank you to you guys for clicking on the video, for liking, for subscribing, for sharing, whatever it is that you're doing. Stay tuned, because at 500 subscribers we are going to do a giveaway. And with that being said, let's get started with our guac. We got Babe behind the camera too. Say hi, Babe.
Hi.
He'll be making sure we're in focus, making sure we get some cool shots of everything. And yeah, so let's get to it. To start, we gotta get our adult drinks and take a sip. Now that that's out of the way, let's talk about basic ingredients. Most people know how to make guac already, but this is kind of what we brought with us, and this is what we're gonna make ours with today. So if you throw in all those fancy spices, that's not what we're gonna do today. We're gonna keep it really, really basic and really easy. We got our mixing bowl, our cutting board, really great knife here. We got 4 avocados, 2 limes, 2 tomatoes. We're probably only gonna use half this onion, probably just half this cilantro, typical salt, pepper, and some utensils here. This is kind of what we're gonna go along with. If we throw anything special in there, I'll let you know, but this is what we got working with. So let's get to chopping. Nope.
Twist.
It's just cracking it. Fucking shit. So first you gotta crack the seed. Take it off these sides. Take 3. Same. Alright, this is not working. How am I gonna get the shell out?
Scoop it out with a spoon.
Okay. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Or are you just practicing?
No, I'm recording.
Oh, okay.
Bloopers.
So, I had to do a practice avocado because I wasn't sure how I was going to do this. It's kind of intimidating doing this on camera, but it's all good. We're all real people, normal people, not perfect. So, just going to take our knife, kind of do our first go around at the avocado. Okay. Bam! This is the fun part, trying to get the seed out. So we're gonna kind of just get the nut in there. We're gonna get it in there. Twist! And crack it and fail. That's what we're gonna do. Which is what happened the first time. That's okay. You try it again. You try it again. Bam! Crack it again. And fail again. That's fine too, you know. Your last effort. Just get the spoon at this point, right? Oh, stain your shirt a little bit. It adds flavor. Throw that seed away with the spoon. Go around town. We're gonna go around town and miss the bottom half. Miss the bottom half because we want that for last. Scoop it.
Did you just reference SpongeBob?
I did just
bring it around town.
Make sure you get, as my boyfriend said, make sure you get your $2 worth out of your avocado, please. Scrape the sides, scrape the ends.
Yeah, avocado expensive.
Avocados are expensive, so you gotta get your money's worth out of these. Don't go too hard and break the rim, cause then that's a fail. Well, but yeah, so I'm gonna do that with the other 2 avocados and be right back. Next, we're gonna go into our tomatoes. Tomatoes are probably like the worst thing I hate to cut aside from onions because they are so squishy. To make this much more complicated on myself because I love cutting tomatoes, I'm gonna slice it and then slice it and then slice it and end up dicing it. So that's just what's easiest for me. We're gonna slice it, kind of bunch them up together and end up, maybe if we make slices, a little bit better. If you can't tell from just basic skills like knife, you know, cutting and stuff, I don't really cook all the time. I do my best, but I mean, I survive. It's nothing exciting here. We'll probably fast forward through all this. I'm just gonna dice up the tomato and throw it in there with our really pretty avocado. So I had my boyfriend step back from behind the camera to kind of help me smash the avocados while I finished chopping the tomatoes. But I kind of just wanted to show you guys, like, if you guys don't have any special like tools or anything, we're just smashing it with a fork. So I kind of just wanted to give you like an image of what that looks like, just in case. Yeah, pretty simple. Just kind of taking the fork, smashing the avocado along the sides. Luckily our avocados are squishy, huh babe?
Mm-hmm. Makes it easier to smash.
So yeah, pretty simple. You just, you know, it's just a fork inside that same mixing bowl. So yeah, it'll take a couple minutes before it's kind of to the texture that you desire. You can make yours more chunky like us.
Like
we're both chunky, first of all.
I'm thick.
Really thick until I turn around. Wait, never mind, I said that wrong. I don't have a TikTok, I'm sorry. But yeah, so we're gonna keep going at that. I'm gonna keep going at the tomato right there.
Oh, it's I don't look thick until I turn around. Check.
Thick. Thick. Coming from a TikToker. I do not have a TikTok. I'm really tempted because I watch it for hours and hours and hours and it keeps me up at night and it's making me fail school and fail at life. But I don't have one quite yet. So yeah, we'll pick you guys back up in like 2 minutes. So tomatoes are done. There's like different sizes that I diced, but it's pretty much diced. The avocado, my boyfriend just finished smashing the avocado. So we're just gonna add our tomato right to the center so that when we start mixing things, it makes it easier. We did 2 tomatoes like I showed you guys. I knew that was probably a lot. We probably didn't need that much tomato, but it's fine. We chopped it. It's going in the bowl. So next we're gonna take our onion. I'm gonna peel it, chop it in half, save the other half, dice it up as well. We're gonna fast forward through that part. I feel like all this cutting stuff is pretty, you know, self-explanatory. But yeah, so I'm gonna dice probably a little less than half the onion into the bowl and then we'll be right back. So my boyfriend ended up chopping the rest of the onion because he got a little frustrated with the way I was chopping it. He said, let me step in, let a pro show you how it's done. So we had a pro chopper come in and finish the job. And as a change of pace, we realized that, damn, that's a lot of onion for that bowl of guac. So the half onion, which actually was less than a half that I had, we're actually gonna take half of that small half and put it into the bowl because we don't need that much onion. We're okay with that amount. We'll just save that for
breakfast.
For his breakfast. That's how much we kept. Moving on to the cilantro, my favorite part.
You know, everything tastes better with cilantro.
Everything does taste better with cilantro. I am a cilantro connoisseur. I like cilantro lime dressing, cilantro lime rice from Chipotle, cilantro in burritos, tacos, quesadillas, anything you can put cilantro, soup, anything you can put cilantro in, I'm digging it. So cilantro is a must in our guac today. So washing it down right there. Cilantro is done.
Cilantro is chopped.
Chopped.
Alright.
Into the bowl. Bam. Limes are next. Those are easy. Just slice them in half and squeeze them into the bowl. You don't have to use 2 limes. Lime, salt, pepper, pretty much all the ingredients are to taste. We're just love the acidity, so we're pretty good about that. Mix it in between and then add some salt and pepper, and we're gonna be tasting it as we go, making sure it's not too salty, but yeah.
A little salt too.
Got a little salt now.
Let's bring this
Gonna add some salt. Got Salt Bay right here into the bowl. Now we're gonna add some pepper.
Pepper Bay.
Now we're gonna start mixing. I thought I was supposed to be doing this.
So guys, welcome back to my channel. We're actually making guac today. Mixing the guac. You know what? Now that we're mixing it all together, the tomato is actually perfect. The onion is probably perfect. If anything, we'll probably add some more. We'll taste it right now. But it's all coming together beautifully. The texture is amazing. We'll see about the taste right now.
Ooh, who doesn't love a taste test, honestly?
You ready for that taste test? Get it.
It still needs a little salt.
Need a little salt? Let me see.
Yeah.
Let me see, because you be a little salty sometimes, so I gotta try that. You're right.
Yeah. It needs a little more salt. See, this is what we mean. I thought, and that's why you guys didn't see how much salt he put while we were not recording.
I like sprinkled a little bit. You exaggerating.
But I thought it was gonna be way too salty, but now that we taste it, it's actually not salty enough. So we just did our second taste test. We added I think 2 more rounds of salt. Just about, and we kind of got it to where we finally wanted it to be salty taste wise.
So good.
Fun fact, my boyfriend is slightly allergic to avocados, so but he still eats it, so it's not like a major allergy. He's not gonna die, don't worry, we're not going anywhere. But
I got my Benadryl.
But it is like a slight allergy. That's really good.
That's real good.
Wow, it's so fresh too. Like, oh my god. That is the final product. It is so smooth.
Smooth. The texture is good. It's chunky, but not too chunky. But it's smooth, like Keystone smooth. You know.
Wow.
And the taste is just, not too much lime. Let them know we only went with 1 lime.
Oh yeah, we only went with 1 lime, guys.
They're decent size, so
yeah, they're pretty big limes.
We only went with 1 lime.
And instead of tortilla chips, which we did not get because we are trying to be better about seeing how many carbs we eat, because you know, yeah. So instead we got pork rinds, which are not like that much better, but they're an alternative. Now we're gonna have some pork rinds with some guac. And yeah, so that was our guac, guys. Very simple, very basic, but still really, really great. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Very different from normal makeup stuff, but yeah, so that's us making guac. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We really appreciate you guys watching all the way to the end. If you made it to the end, hopefully you guys make guac, and if you do, tag me on Instagram. My Instagram will be in the description box down below. Go ahead and follow me. You can follow my boyfriend if you want. Alright guys, we'll catch you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.